Some of my favorite memories is while doing this is getting all the boys together, you know, grabbing our gear, just go out somewhere and just make content. We decided to take my car to the desert. We've been having this idea for about a month. Finally pulled the trigger, we all got together, and Sergio brought two of his friends. They do some crazy drones. So they have a Mavic 4 FPV drone with like a full red camera. So grab a drink, sit down, and enjoy me beating the hell out of my car. You want it on? That good? Today we're gonna be shooting with the Sony A7R VI. I got it maybe like 3 days ago, so it's first test. And I'm using the G Master 50mm 1.2. So let's put this camera to the test. This thing looks so sick. Shooting at 2.0. We got no over here. It is extremely dusty too, so it's kind of hard to keep the camera clean. It's always nice to get some detailed shots off the wheel. Let's get the focus. If you want more crisp or more in focus, it's better to shoot at f4. You get less bokeh, but you know, you can get more detailed shots. Should have 2. Bring the shutter speed up. Little detail shot right here. Suspension. Let me see. Oh yeah, check that out. Right? What's up?
I'm cooked from being in the back of the truck.
Did you get any good rollers? That looks sick. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Hold on a second. Can you drive stick? Come on, man. Noah! Can you drive stick? For me to pan, so I'm gonna follow him. Get some rollers out, and I feel like nobody can drive stick.
Holy fuck.
That looks fucking sick, dude.
Nah, keep going.
That looks sick.
Can you do like one more circle, that's it.
Let me see the chunk.
Yeah. Motherfucker was hungry.
Holy shit. There.